Okay, we're back with tutorial number 2 on how to create a CFG generator. As you can see, I added values for the list box and values for the key. These are the keys that you can bind things to. I also changed this from button 4 to select. So let's move it on to the code today. We'll double click on the colors button and we'll add panel 1.visible equals true. And then we'll double click on the select button and we'll add dim bind as string equals bind box dot text. So what this will do is this will dim bind to a string that is equal to the text in your text box. So it'll save your text in a string. Then type if color list dot text equals red, then bind, which is the string, equals bind, which is what the string has in it, and _1, which will add _1 to the bind and save it as bind, so it'll overwrite it. And then bind box dot text equals bind, and that's about it. Now you will want to add other commands, because for each color you're going to need a new color, a new number. So just add this coding, else if color list dot text equals yellow, then the same code, just change this to 2. And same for green, blue, aqua, pink, white, allies, axis, and black. So you can do that on your own. Now let's move on to the preview button. Double click on the preview button and we will add this code. Preview must not have changed the name a little bit. There we go. There it is. Change this to preview label. Okay. Now preview label dot text equals preview and bind box dot text. I've been thinking about trying to implement colors into this, but I haven't figured out a code to do that with at this moment, so you'll just have to bear with me. Hopefully I can think of something, but for now you're not going to be able to have colors. Apparently I did not change this preview button. I didn't change this to add button. Mistakes. Okay, next we will want to generate a new CFG. So we'll double click on the new gen button and we'll dim SFD as save file dialog equal new save file dialog. And then with SFD filter, this will filter the dialog so that you can only see .cfg files. .cfg. And then filter index. This will make it so that you can only see So this shows the selection you're on, and then this makes it so that you can only see that selection. Put in a title, title, save, Call of Duty CFGs, dot initial directory equals C. This will start the browse dialog box in C, and then restore directory equals true. This will restore it back to that same directory that you were in next time you say this. And then if sfd.show dialog equals windows.forms.dialog result.ok, then let's change this to forms. I think you can actually just leave it as, yeah, or just type okay. Okay, so that's all it is. Just type okay and it will come up for you. And then new CFG.show. And that is a new form that we will create in the next tutorial. So stay tuned.